Hi friend, Avinash here. I am going to tell how to work with Camunda 7. As we all know, we have a Camunda 7 platform and Camunda 8 platform. So I'll start with Camunda 7, how to create a BPM workflow, DMN diagrams. So we can use as a technical level as well as we can use a business level. So yeah, so I'm going to start with Camunda 7. So I'm going to take a one BPMN diagram. So I'm taking for the start. Okay, so we have a many options, like, so I'll take one activity for any task. I'm going to take one endpoint. Okay, okay, so here in activity I'm going to provide we have many type of tasks, so I will discuss that later. So first we'll go through the basic one, user tasks. So I'm taking user tasks, so we can like I'll give some name, test user task. Okay, so I have given the name. Okay, then this we can give our process name as well. So test, fine. That is fine, I guess. Or yeah, test. And then here our ID should be unique, and that should be without a space. So test demo I can give, right? Will be good, I guess. So here we can, if we'll click on this activity, so we can see we have a lots of things that I'll cover later in other videos. User assignment, form, task listener, input, output, and everything is here. So I will cover all the things in other video. First, I will tell how to run a simple workflow. Okay. So for running this one, we need one environment. That environment, as we all know, we have a Camunda. So for that, we need images, correct? So that we can get directly from their document they have provided. So here highlighted one two line you can see, right? So if you'll run this in your command prompt, so your images will be generated. So after running this, you can see here, right? So in container, you can see as I had given 8080 should be run on 8080. So I ran 38 minutes ago. That's why it's showing. Okay, we'll go on images. So yeah, images also created, and yeah, so on 8080 portal it is working. Okay, it's running. That engine is running. So I'll come here and then okay, so we can deploy. We can no first. Okay, first we need to save this one. So suppose I'm saving this test. Fine, that will be good, and then BPMN. Okay, now we can deploy. So for deploying, yeah. So I have given deployment name test, right? So that is fine. That we can change also. It's on us. And yeah, we can see our rest endpoint where our engine is running. That is 8080 engine rest. So I'll deploy this one, and then okay, we can see we deployed open in Camunda cockpit also. We can see there. Okay, so here see we can see the timing and everything. So deployed. So now this thing we have to run. Okay, so here one icon we can see start current diagram. So without anything, start simple process. Okay, we are not giving, I'm not giving any business key for now. Okay, now I started that one. Okay, so we can click on here directly. Either we can, okay, we can, I'll click here. That will be easy to understand. Okay, so as you can see in cockpit, right? So we have three things, as we all know: admin, task list, and cockpit in Camunda 7. Camunda 8 I will cover later. First Camunda 7 will finish. So here we can see that incident, instance is waiting, actually in waiting because it wants some user input from our side. So we can go in task list, and yeah, so here we can see test user task which we had given actually. Okay, so after clicking on this, now we cannot complete it because this is not my task, right? So we can change our username, we can add more list. Lots of things are there. So we'll go in diagram, right? So it's waiting stays here. Okay, we'll go in form. Okay, if we want to add variables, we can add, but without claiming, we cannot add. So I'll create. I claimed, and now this task is a demo task. Okay, so he can do anything now. He can add variable, he can local variable if anything is coming from backside. so he can load also that variable, so nothing is coming. So no charge is not contain any local variables, nothing is there. We can add our variable. Okay, now I'm going to complete. I completed, so I guess that got completed. If I'll go in cockpit, right? Actually, in cockpit, generally, if mine is community version, so it will not show. But if you go in processes, and yeah, mine one is test one. Which one is? I think this one. Yeah, I think I gave the same name. Yeah, timing we can see. So yeah, this one is which I completed. So this one is ours one, and it got completed. So if yeah, so history we cannot see in community version. For that we need enterprise version. So that's why. So yeah, so like that we can create more other workflows and we can work on that. I'll cover other task and other this right hand side we can see other drop downs and other fields are there. I'll cover in other video. So please like, share and